In the park went Laila with her bunny friend. Green grass and trees, joy without end. A butterfly appeared big and bright. Laila saw it first, filled with delight. The rabbit jumped up, happy and spry. Laila clapped her hands, smiling wide. Three friends, they became happy and free. The butterfly bunny made three. One day Laila sat, feeling so sad. An angry dog came, looking quite mad. Laila felt scared, thinking of her friends. The bunny and butterfly, their love never ends. They all played football, happy and fun. Laila kicked the ball under the sun.